Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day. Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a Chaitanya book compilation given by His Holiness Jaya Pataka Swami Maharaj on July 10th, 2020 in Sridham, Mayapur, India.
Makar Chalam Mangalang Hayate Garam Yatrivatavan Vande Sri Garam Dinatarinam Paramananda Madhavam Sri Chaitanya Islam Harihi Om Tat Sat. We are about to continue on the drama by Lord Chaitanya.
So we are about to continue the drama by Lord Chaitanya,
which was played in Chandrasekhar's house,
which is played in Chandrasekhar's house,
which is Chandrasekhar's house is at the Chaitanya Mutt
which is
temple.
which is the Chandrasekhar's house, which is at the Chaitanya Mutt temple.
We're all still under the feeling of great celebration from our dear God brother and friend, His Holiness Bhakti Churu Swami.
We are still under the feeling of great separation from our dear friend, God brother, His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami,
Waiting for his body to arrive in Mayapur.
waiting for his body to arrive in Mayapur.
At the same time, the government said we cannot have any big public assembly.
At the same time, the government said that we cannot have big public assembly.
These things are that.
So these things are there.
Someone was asking me that it seems that in Krishna consciousness there's a lot of suffering.
Someone was asking me, it seems that in Krishna consciousness there is a lot of suffering.
As we see in these different pastimes,
As we see in these different pastimes,
Lord Chaitanya, he's missing Krishna's presence,
Lord Chaitanya, he is missing Krishna's presence,
and sometimes he's crying, he's manifesting different, what I call as ecstatic loving symptoms.
sometimes he is crying, sometimes he is manifesting what we called it as ecstatic
Loving symptoms.
loving symptoms.
Now, in the material world, it's someone loses someone,
If in the material world someone loses someone,
they feel some sadness,
they feel some sadness.
then later on, they have someone else that they.
But later on, they may have someone else.
But in the spiritual world, one has the relationship with Krishna and that never changes.
But in the spiritual world, one has relationship with Krishna which never changes.
And that separation, a loving separation that one feels from Krishna and his devotees. A loving separation
between Krishna and his devotees.
that one feels for Krishna and his devotees.
One feels between Krishna and his devotees.
Is transcendental.
Is transcendental.
It's called as a loving ecstasy.
Called as loving ecstasy.
And that cannot be understood by someone who is not a devotee.
That cannot be understood by someone who's not a devotee.
How feeling of separation from Krishna,
How feeling of separation from Krishna
is actually an ecstatic loving symptom.
is actually an ecstatic loving symptom.
Now this is very difficult for non-devotees to understand,
So this is very difficult for the non-devotees to understand.
but the devotee has these profound emotions,
But the devotees have these profound emotions,
and the rasas, the mellows that they taste,
that the rasas, the mellows they taste,
are something very wonderful and real,
are something very wonderful and real,
and they cannot be compared with the suffering of the material world
they cannot be compared to the suffering of the material world
or the enjoyment of the material world,
or the enjoyment of the material world,
which are all temporary and superficial.
which all temporary and superficial.
And now we'll continue reading from the Chaitanya Charita Mahakavya.
Now we'll continue reading from Chaitanya Charita Mahakavya 11.13. When he left the stage dancing and singing, Haridas, dressed sweetly, entered the stage like a host of moons, holding a fine stick, playing a Vaikunta ghat. Playing Murari Gupta Katsha. The drama performance continued. Haridasa then appeared like the full moon before the assembly of the Lord and his bhaktas. Bearing a staff, he addressed them as follow: perform Shri Hari Kirtan and thus enlighten the living beings of the three worlds who are now burning in the... He said loudly, chant the name of the Lord, joyful with prema, speak the topics of the Lord, beautiful as the moon, overcome with great joy at every moment, pointing with the tip of his stick, he tried to wake up the sleeping people of the three worlds.
I can see that the audience is also participating in the drama.
We can see that the audience is also participating in the drama.
They are asked to chant
They are asked to chant
Hare Krishna Mahamantra,
Hare Krishna Mahamantra,
and thus wake out the sleeping souls of the material world.
thus waking up the sleeping souls of the material world.
Three worlds:
Three worlds,
heavenly planets, intermediate planets, and earthly planets.
heavenly planets and earthly planets, intermediate planets and earthly planets. By the order of the lotus feet of the Lord, who is unlimited Vaikunta, I have first appeared on earth. Please hear that order sweet as nectar, which will give life to all the people, swallowed by the snake of Kali Yuga.
What is the order? What is the order?
No one is bathing in the sweet river of the name. That is what I desire. I desire to come to distribute to this world the name. All of you should chant the glories of the Lord.
Here, the significance of chanting the holy name of the Lord is mentioned.
Here, the significance of chanting the holy name of the Lord is mentioned.
The people are deprived of bathing in the sweet river of the holy name.
People are deprived of bathing in the sweet river of the holy name.
So that's what Lord Gauranga wants to give the people.
So that's what Lord Gauranga wants to give to the people.
Let the people bathe in this nectar of the holy name.
That people should bathe in the nectar of the holy name.
They should chant the glories of the Lord.
They should chant the glories of the Lord.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama Rama,
Rama Rama,
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare. Chaitanya Charita Mahakavya. Drinking his order with your ears at every moment, you should dance filled with the rasa of Sankirtana remedy. Hearing these pleasant words flowing from his moon-like face, everyone's hair stood on end, fire of sense enjoyment.
The people are burning in the fire of sense enjoyment. So here the audience hearing the sweet words of Haridas Thakur.
So here the audience hearing the sweet words of Haridas Thakur
Emanating from his moonlight face,
emanating from his moon-like face,
their hairs stood on end.
their hairs stood on end.
So the audience is very much a part of this whole performance.
The audience is very much a part of this whole performance.
While the actors are on the stage playing their parts,
All the actors on the stage are playing their parts.
the audience is also chanting the holy names. The hairs are standing on end.
The audience are also chanting the holy names and their hairs are standing on the end.
The interactive drama.
So it's an interactive drama. Murari Gupta Kacha 2.16.2. After drinking through their thirsty ears the words of Haridas, whose face resembled a blossoming lotus, the Vaishnavas began to sing and dance. Their hairs thrilled with rapture and their bodies became wet with tears which spurted forcefully from their eyes.
So Haridas Thakur
So Haridas Thakur
got all the devotees and the audience
got all the devotees and the audience
to begin to sing and dance.
to begin to sing and dance.
And they are crying in ecstasy.
And they are crying in ecstasy.
And their cloth became wet from their tears,
And their cloth became wet from their tears,
which spurted forcefully from their eyes.
which sprouted forcibly from their eyes.
So this is a very ecstatic drama.
So this is a very ecstatic drama. Chaitanya Charita Mahakavya. They sang a pleasant song along with Karatal and Mridanga beats. Haridasa danced in joy and dancing to the rasa of Sankirtana, excited and took rest.
So Haridas Thakur was setting the scene
So Haridas Thakur is setting the scene
for the next act.
for the next act. Chaitanya Mangal.
শুনি হরিদাস বাণী সকল বৈষ্ণব মণি অমৃতে সিঞ্চিলা সব গা হরষেতে নাচে গায় মাঝে নাচে গোরা রায় কান্দিয়া ধরায়ে রাঙা পা.
Hearing Haridasa's words, all the jewel-like Vaishnavas responded by making a great rain shower of nectar. They joyfully sang and danced. In the center danced Lord Gaura Rai. Weeping, the devotees grasped the Lord's reddish feet.
All the audience was also chanting.
So all the audience was also chanting.
Lord Chaitanya came and also was chanting and dancing.
Lord Chaitanya also came and also he was chanting and dancing.
The devotees weeping,
Devotees weeping,
tried to touch Lord Gauranga's lotus feet.
trying to touch Lord Gauranga's lotus feet.
নারদের সহিত শ্রীবাসের অভিন্নত অভিন্ন নারদ যেন শ্রীবাস পণ্ডিত সেই রূপ সেই বাক্য সেই সে চরিত
Srila Pandit appeared just like non-different from Narad.
Srivas Pandit appeared non-different from Narad.
That form, those words,
That form, that words,
and the same characteristics.
and the same characteristics.
পতিব্রতাগণ সহ সচী মাতার অভিনয় দর্শন যত পতিব্রতাগণ সকল লইয়া আই দেখে কৃষ্ণ সুধারসে মগ্ন হইয়া
Mother Sachi, along with all the chaste married ladies,
Mother Sachi, along with other chaste married ladies,
they became absorbed in the pure nectarian mellows
they became absorbed with the pure nectarian mellows
of Krishna consciousness.
of Krishna consciousness.
In some Western countries,
There in some Western countries,
ladies have the name of something like
ladies have the name of something like
Magnolia or Magna.
Manolia, Mona, Mogna.
I forgot what the Sanskrit word Magna means to be completely absorbed and
The Sanskrit word Magna means completely absorbed.
so they are completely absorbed in Krishna consciousness.
They are completely absorbed in Krishna consciousness.
Mother Sachi and all the chaste married ladies who are present
Mother Sachi and the chaste married ladies who were present
were completely absorbed in the nectar of this mellows of Krishna consciousness.
were completely absorbed in the nectar and mellows of Krishna consciousness.
I can see that this Krishna consciousness is for both men and women.
We can see that this Krishna consciousness is for both men and women.
Everyone can experience the transcendental ecstasy of Krishna consciousness.
That everyone can experience the transcendental ecstasy of Krishna consciousness.
And as the audience is watching,
So, as the audiences are watching,
they're also feeling completely absorbed in spiritual bliss.
they are also feeling completely absorbed in spiritual bliss.
সচী মাতা রহস্যপূর্বক মালিনীকে শ্রীবাসের কথা জিজ্ঞাসা ও তন মূর্তি দর্শনে মূর্ছা মালিনী রে বলে আয় ইনি কি পণ্ডিত মালিনী বলয়ে শুনো ওই সুনিশ্চিত
Mother Sachi asked Malini,
So, Mother Sachi asked Malini,
that Srivas Pandit?
"Is that Srivas Pandit?"
Malini replied,
Malini replied,
listen,
"Listen,
it certainly is.
it is certainly is.
পরম বৈষ্ণবিয়ায় সর্বলোক মাতা
Ah,
শ্রীবাসের মূর্তি দেখি হইলা বিস্মিতা
Mother Sachi was a great Vaishnavi.
Mother Sachi, the great Vaishnavi,
And the mother of the entire universe.
and the mother of the entire universe.
When she saw the transcendental form of Srivas
When she saw the transcendental form of Srivas
playing the part of Narmuni,
playing the part of Narad Muni,
she was struck with spiritual wonder.
she was struck with spiritual wonder.
আনন্দে পড়িলাই হইয়া মূর্ছিতা কোথায় নাইক ধাতু সবে চমকিতা
Mother Sachi, because of extreme spiritual ecstasy,
Mother Sachi, because of extreme spiritual ecstasy,
fell unconscious.
fell unconscious.
There was no sign of life in her.
There was no sign of life in her.
Everyone was astonished to see.
Everyone was astonished to see.
There was no sign of life in her.
There was no sign of life in her.
নারীগণের শচী কর্ণে কৃষ্ণ কীর্তন ও শচী দেবীর বাহ্য প্রাপ্তি সত্তরে সকল প্রতিব্রতা নারীগণ কর্ণমূলে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ করে সংগ্রাম
All the chaste married ladies
All the chaste married ladies
softly chanted in her ears,
softly chanted in her ears,
Krishna Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Chant the names of Lord Krishna Krishna
They chanted the names of Lord Krishna Krishna
in her ear.
in her ear.
সম্বেদ পাইয়াই গোবিন্দ সংরে প্রতিব্রতাগণ ধরে ধরিতে না পারে
Mother Sachi regained her external consciousness.
Mother Sachi regained her external consciousness.
She remembered Lord Govinda.
She remembered Lord Govinda.
Although all the chaste married ladies
Although all the chaste married ladies
tried to pacify her,
tried to pacify her,
they were unable to do so.
but they were unable to do so.
সকলের বাহ্যহীন ভাব ও ক্রন্ধন এই মতো কি ঘর বাইরে সর্বজন বাহ্য নাই স্ফুরে সবে করে ন ক্রন্ধন
In this way,
In this way,
everyone inside or outside the room
everyone inside or outside the room
lost their external consciousness.
lost their external consciousness.
Everyone was crying in ecstasy.
And everyone was crying in ecstasy.
Lord Chaitanya's drama is just starting.
So, Lord Chaitanya's drama is just starting.
Already everyone, Mother Sachi fainted,
Already everyone, like Mother Sachi, fainted.
and everyone's crying in ecstasy.
And everyone is crying in ecstasy,
Having great kirtan,
having great kirtan,
chanting the holy names.
chanting the holy names.
You can see that this drama is really something very special.
It seems that this drama is something really very special.
And that not only the actors, but the audience, everyone is really absorbed in the action.
Not only that, the actors, but everyone, even the audiences, were fully absorbed in
The
act,
action
in the action
on the stage.
on the stage.
That's the end of the chapter.
Thus ends the chapter. Entrance of Srivas in the role of Narad.
Thank you all for participating in this drama.
Thank you all for participating in this drama.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.